Cook Like a Pro Masterclass by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor at Mantri Square Mall, Bangalore. Renowned chef and television personality Sanjeev Kapoor will host an exclusive live culinary masterclass titled Cook Like a Pro as part of the inaugural Mantri Shopping Festival Nifty November edition. This exciting culinary event will take place at Mantri Square Mall, offering food lovers and aspiring chefs a unique opportunity to learn from one of India's most celebrated chefs. The event is scheduled to take place on insert date here and promises to be a highly interactive and engaging session for participants. Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, known for his expertise in Indian and global cuisine, will guide attendees through a series of techniques, tips, and recipes that elevate home-cooked meals to a professional level. An unforgettable culinary experience. Chef Kapoor, who has built a reputation through his popular television show Khana Khazana, cookbooks, and culinary ventures, will share his culinary secrets with participants. Attendees can expect to learn about the intricacies of flavor balancing, cooking techniques, presentation styles, and the use of diverse ingredients. The masterclass will cover a variety of dishes, including both traditional and contemporary flavors, offering something for everyone, from beginners to seasoned cooks, as part of the Nifty November edition of the Mantri Shopping Festival. The Cook Like a Pro Masterclass is designed to enhance the overall festival experience, combining fashion, shopping, and food under one roof. The event will not only serve as a platform for learning but also as a fun-filled activity that food enthusiasts can enjoy with family and friends. A celebration of culinary arts. This masterclass will be an exciting highlight of the Mantri Shopping Festival, which aims to celebrate a fusion of diverse experiences for shoppers and visitors. In addition to the masterclass, attendees can enjoy special offers from top.
You don't see that part. We will get you to do something which is very good. Jain recipe till we add some non-Jain ingredient to it. Okay, so we have these ingredients. You know what is this? This is not water. It's not vinegar. Rose water. It is not rose water. Kevla, it is not kevla. Can I smell it? Good point. Smell it. It doesn't smell. Oh, then it must be smelling, right? Yes, coconut oil. You don't see that part. We will get you to do something which is very good. Jain recipe till we add some non-Jain ingredient to it. Okay, so we have these ingredients. You know what is this? This is not water. It's not vinegar. Rose water. It is not rose water. Kevla. It is not kevla. Can I smell it? Good point. Smell it. It doesn't smell. Oh, then it must be smelling, right? Yes, coconut oil. In this. Okay, why not?
बहुत बढ़िया मंत्री मॉल के अंदर हम ये बढ़िया सा कंपटीशन टाइप का माहौल है, लेकिन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है। और ये जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है बेंगलोर में पहली बार इस तरह से मॉल के अंदर कर रहे हैं। वेरी गुड रिस्पांस। मंत्री मॉल हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन समथिंग वेयर people come to shop not just on weekends but weekdays are also very busy. Personally, I've been here many times. I have come here to shop, I have come here to eat, I have come here because we have our brand's presence. Our Wonder Chef products are available here. So very happy to see this kind of interaction with the crowd. Cooking is becoming more interactive, and that interactivity is fantastic in Bangalore. Love this city, love the weather here. So we are launching our restaurants in North America. We have few more restaurants. So we just launched one in Palo Alto, Khazana. We are looking at New York market very soon, and there is packaged food business for the world will be launching in February of next year.